Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, I am excited to talk about a product that has truly changed the game when it comes to cleanliness and safety, the medical Nitrile exam gloves. These gloves are latex-free, powder-free, and non-sterile, making them perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a food service worker, or simply someone who wants to keep their hands clean and protected, these gloves are an absolute must-have. With 100 pieces in each box, you'll have a steady supply of high-quality gloves that you can rely on. Not only are these gloves versatile, but they're also food-safe, making them ideal for handling food items or working in a kitchen environment. And because they are disposable, you can simply toss them out after use without any hassle or worry about cross-contamination. I cannot stress enough the importance of investing in a product like this, especially in today's world where health and hygiene are at the forefront of everyone's minds. By purchasing these medical Nitrile exam gloves, you are not only taking care of yourself, but you are also contributing to a safer and cleaner environment for those around you. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your own box of medical Nitrile exam gloves and experience the convenience and peace of mind that these gloves provide. Trust me, you won't regret it. Stay safe, stay clean, and take the necessary steps to protect yourself and those you care about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.